Hello, folks. Richard Fontaine here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my online coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you. So if you're interested, make sure you click the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, and explains how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. The second bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with a ton of free traffic. And the third bonus shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver it to your buyer. And hence you become the middleman. And the fourth bonus shows you how to create a recurring passive income with ease. And the fifth bonus will show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while spending only about 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, in a nutshell, Midjourney watercolor art prompts is a bundle of prompts that allows you to create stunning AI images. And you can use them for posters, home decor, wallpapers, print on demand, or sell them as a professional AI artist. The creator of Midjourney watercolor art prompts is Daniele Meliandre. He is an online marketing expert who seeks to help marketers and online businesses increase results and with success. Now, he has over 6,000 sales and over 20 products to his credit, and he specializes in video creation. Now, here's some things you should know about this product. Say goodbye to artist block, as an example. And you will receive inspiration with this product. You can save time. So rather than spending hours brainstorming ideas, you can dive straight into the creative process. You can equip yourself to tap into the lucrative world of AI artistry and stand out from the competition. And you can perfect a range of applications like posters and home decor and wallpapers and print on demand and so much more. Now, all of the visuals here and prompts are carefully crafted, ensuring it's not just a random idea, but a catalyst for genuine artistry. And you can unlock the hidden potential. So even seasoned artists will find these prompts to unlock their creativity. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is 300 ready-to-use watercolor art prompts crafted to inspire AI creations, and you can use them freely on tools like Midjourney, Leonardo, DALL-E, and the prompts cover many trending sub-niches of watercolor art. The price is only $12.95, but it will increase after the launch. Now there's a front-end bump at $7 for 200 more Midjourney watercolor art prompts. And I suggest that you consider the Midjourney watercolor art prompts expanding. OTO1 provides you with watercolor prompts mega bundle of 1,000 prompts at $27. OTO2 is a Midjourney photography prompt for $17. And that gets you a package of 400 Midjourney photography prompts to create realistic photography, like AI images. And there's also a bump for $7, and that gets you an additional package of 200 prompts. OTO3 is a 450 Midjourney digital art prompts for $17. And there's another bump for this one for another $7. And OTO4 is a Midjourney prompts generator at $47. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And my 5 bonuses, because they will show you how to supercharge your online business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain recurring income online easily, how to earn daily income using the 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, don't forget to check out this product and the 10,000 monthly link that's in the first link below. Bye for now.